Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome students. I am here with you last part of your chapter measurement. Today's topic about weight and capacity. Last class we discussed about length and its properties. The term weight, when we buy or sell, we use the metric units gram. We measure small or expensive objects in gram. For example, gold. Gold is generally calculated in grams. Vegetable, groceries, we measure in kilograms. In today's session, you will learn in detail about weight and its metric units. First of all, let us study the relationship between grams and kilograms and also discuss the addition and subtraction between grams and kilograms. Okay, listen. The milligram is the smallest metric unit to measure the weight. When 1000 milligram are added, it is called 1 gram. Similarly, 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Take your notebook and write heading weight. Then write down the chart. Milligram in bracket mg. 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram in bracket g, small letter g. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram within bracket kg. Mg stands for milligram, g is the short form of gram, kg is the short form of kilogram. Children, you can convert grams into kilograms and kilograms into grams, as we converted meter into centimeter, centimeter into meters. Okay. Right, next heading. Converting kilograms into grams. Converting kilograms into grams. To convert kilogram into grams, multiply the kilogram by 1000. That is the solution. Multiply the kilogram by 1000. For example, convert 2 kilogram into gram. 2 kilogram into gram. Write your today's first question. Convert 2 kilogram into gram. How to convert the given kilograms into grams? The solution is you have to multiply the kilogram with 1000. That means 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000. The answer is 2000 grams. 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 grams. One more example. Convert 4 kilogram 255 gram into grams. 4 kilogram 255 gram into grams. The same steps you have to follow here. Multiply 4 kilogram by 1000 and add 255 gram with the product. 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 plus 255. 4 kilo 255 grams is equal to 4255 grams. Okay, listen, there are 5 questions here. Please write the question and find the answer yourself within 3 minutes. Convert the following into grams. 35 kilogram 324 gram, 94 kilogram 10 gram, 69 kilogram and 202 gram, 87 kilogram and 435 gram, 8 kilogram and 900 gram. Please do yourself within 3 minutes. Okay. Look the screen. Please cross check your answer. Okay. Now let us see how to convert gram into kilogram. Write heading in your notebook, converting grams into kilograms. Children, to convert the grams into kilogram, there are two methods to convert gram into kilogram. First method, you have to write expanded form of the given grams. Consider the thousands place onwards as kilogram. For example, 2500 gram. Convert 2500 gram into kilogram. To convert this 2500 gram into kilogram, first you have to write expanded form of 2500. 2000 plus 500, it is an expanded form of 2500. Consider 1000 place as a kilogram. Thus our answer is 2 kilogram and 500 gram. This is the first method to convert grams into kilogram. You can also convert gram into kilogram in another way. Let us take again the same example. Convert 2500 gram into kilogram. Consider the last 3 digits of the given question as a gram and the rest as kilogram. In given example, last 3 digit is 500. So answer is 2 kilogram and 500 gram. Let us do one more example. Write your second question. Convert 63,756 gram into kilogram. 63,756 gram into kilogram. We can solve this question through first and second method. In first method, write in expanded form of 63,756. 63,000 plus 700 plus 50 plus 5. According to the first method, from thousands place onwards as a kilogram and the rest is gram. So our answer 63 kilogram and 755 gram. As per the second method, the last 3 digits are treated as a grams and the remainder as a kilogram. In the given question, last 3 digits is 755. Thus our answer 63 kilogram and 755 grams. Okay. Then here are some questions for you. Write down these questions and convert into kilogram within 3 minutes. Convert 32,201 grams into kilogram and grams. 9,981 grams into kilogram and grams. 18,000 grams into kilogram and gram. 27,005 grams into kilogram and gram. 47,824 gram into kilogram and gram. Okay, find the answer yourself within 3 minutes. Okay, listen here. Check your answer and correct it. Okay. All of you clear about the metric unit of gram and kilogram? Yes? Okay. Then let us move to the next topic, which is addition and subtraction of grams. The addition and subtraction of gram, just like addition and subtraction of numbers. So let us solve one example from your textbook. Write heading, addition and subtraction of weight. Then write the question, add 80 kilogram 750 grams and 40 kilogram 900 grams. To add the given question, first arrange the numbers step by step. That means you have to separate gram and kilogram. Let us add first gram, then kilogram. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 9, 16. Write 6 in answer line, 1 in next place. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Write 3 in answer line, 1 in next place. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 33,650. You know, last 3 digits are gram. So answer is 80 kilogram 750 gram plus 14 kilogram 900 gram is equal to 33 kilogram and 650 grams. Okay. Now coming to subtraction of weight. No changes in subtraction of weight. Just subtract the numbers as normal numbers. Let us do one example. Write down the question. Subtract 19 kilogram and 556 gram from 29 kilogram 196 gram. Before subtraction, first arrange the kilogram and the gram separately. Then subtract. First write largest number, then smallest number. Okay, let us solve the question. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 1 minus 5, can't subtract 5 from 1. So borrow 1 from next place. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Then again 8 minus 9, can't subtract 9 from 8. So borrow 1 from next place. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Answer is 9640. You know, last 3 digits consider as a gram. So 640 is gram, 9 is kilogram. So our answer 9 kilogram 640 gram. Okay, all of you clear? Today we discussed about grams and kilogram and also convert gram into kilogram and kilogram into gram. Then we done some addition and subtraction problem. Now let us do one story problem in connection with weight. All of you write the question. A drum contains 555 kilogram and 250 gram of wheat. If 149 kilogram and 325 gram has been used, find the weight of the remaining wheat. Find the weight of the remaining wheat. Children, first read the question carefully and find the operation of the question. Is it addition or subtraction? The question asking to you to find the weight of the remaining wheat. So the question is subtraction. So let us solve the question with writing statements. The first statement is quantity of wheat in the drum is equal to 555 kilogram and 250 grams. Second statement, quantity of used wheat from the drum. 149 kilogram and 325 gram. Third statement, remaining quantity of the wheat in the drum is equal to 555 kilogram and 250 gram minus 149 kilogram and 325 gram. Move to your working column and subtract 149 kilogram 325 gram from 555 kilogram and 250 gram. Okay, let us subtract. 0 minus 5, borrow 1 from next place. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then third place, 2 minus 3, borrow 1 from next place. Now 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 4 minus 9, borrow 1 from next place, 14. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. 4 minus 4, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. Answer is 4,05,925. Consider last 3 digits as a gram. So answer is 405 kilogram, 925 gram. Okay. Remaining quantity of the wheat in the drum is equal to 405 kilogram and 925 gram. Students, now we move to the next metric unit, which is capacity. The unit's capacity used to measure the liquid objects like petrol, oil, milk, etc. The smallest unit for measuring capacity is milliliter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. ml is the short form of the milliliter and L is the short form of the liter. Write ml and L in small italic letters for identify easily. We can convert liter into milliliter and milliliter into liter. To convert liter to milliliter, you have to multiply liter by thousands. Let us do one example. Write heading capacity. Then write 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Write question. Convert 45 liter into milliliter. Convert 45 liter into milliliter. To convert liter into milliliter, you have to multiply liter by thousands. 45 into 1000 is equal to 45,000. So answer is 45,000 milliliter. We can also convert milliliter to liter. Remember, 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Let us do one example. Convert 8900 milliliter into liters and milliliters. Here, there are also two methods to convert milliliter into liter. First method, write the given milliliter in expanded form and consider thousands place onwards as a liter and rest as a milliliter. In the given question, 8000 plus 900 is the expanded form of 8900. So answer is 8 liter 900 milliliter. The second method is take the last 3 digits of the given milliliter as a milliliter and rest as a liter. In the given question, the last 3 digits is 900. So answer is 8 liter and 900 milliliter. Let us do one more example. 43,549 milliliter convert into liter and milliliter. So answer is, consider last 3 digits as a milliliter. So answer is 43 liter and 549 milliliter. Children, the addition and subtraction of milliliter and liter is the same way of normal addition and subtraction. There are some questions to find sum and difference of liter and milliliter, and also few story problems about capacity. So you have to do the problem yourself as your today's homework. Let us conclude today's math session here. Please note your today's homework, exercise 4.6 to 4.11, page number 114 to 120. Complete your all homework and send it to school WhatsApp number. See you in next class. Thank you.